Let's learn how to hide your friends on Facebook. So welcome back to another simple video everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to hide your friends list on Facebook. If you don't want other people to see who you are friends with, then let's hide it. Open your Facebook mobile app and then go to the menu section by tapping here. The next step is to click on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and that's going to open our Facebook settings. The next step is to click on this search icon and then search for friends. A couple of different search results will pop up and you want to find the one called Who Can See Your Friends List and tap on it to open it. And click here where it says Public, and this menu will pop up with a bunch of options where you can choose the audience. You can choose from a couple of different settings in here. You can that only your friends can see the list, your friends accept, and you can hide your friends list from specific people, but we want to hide our friends list completely. So I'll choose only me. When you set this to only me, other people won't be able to see your full friends list on Facebook, only you will be able to see that. And that's how you can hide the friends list on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.